with that's the guy that's talking to us. That's not cool though, man. Like, one of your boys blowing up like that.
We just show up progression.
That really tall guy, he was like,
about to go up in black box with the homie Ray. Wait. No sex in the champagne. No sex in the champagne. Hey, what's up?
Hi.
I'm Yachty.
Hi.
this is my boy. This is my best friend.
How we doing?
We're just stopping through to say what up to everybody. He's never been here, so
Say hi to the camera. Say tell people what's up.
You're
What's
gonna
up?
get YouTube now. You're gonna get YouTube.
Hey, what's up? How you doing? Say what's up.
There's a big room. You got here right there. Closest there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 subs.
Nice.
4 mids, 4 highs. Best sound system in the fucking city.
I guess.
Rooms that way, all that. You gotta come through and check it out. This is where I was holding it down last night. You know.
Bar area.
Yeah.
Nice.
Tight.
Oh yeah. Hey, kitty, kitty. What's your name?
Boy, Gus.
Gus Yachty. Respect, man. Good to meet you.
He's never been here. He's got a YouTube channel. So I was like, yo, come shoot some footage and check it out, man. Buy a drink. We're gonna go to one-on-one. How's it been? So like, yo, give me my drink.
Do you have warm milk, sir? What do I want? I don't want to.
What's up? How you doing? This is my buddy Yachty. Yachty's ISIS.
ISIS. Oh, one of my
MC
favorite
back in the day. He's got a YouTube channel. I was like, yo, let's go to the box and we film some shit. Oh yeah, check this out. That's my favorite piece of here. The eyes right there.
Dope.
Fresh. They had to be the Florida man.
Bag of dicks.
They're nerds. Yeah, I'll show you Casey Cow's YouTube. There's dope piece over here. Yo, this is my boy Yachty. He was my MC back in the day.
Nice to meet you.
Eric.
Tanner,
good to
aka
meet you.
Dalek One, apparition from
You are?
Attorney and Sound.
Brittany, good to meet you.
I'm Ray.
Eric Tanner. Eric Tanner, Brittany. Yeah, just what's good, Tanner, what's good?
I've never been here. I was like,
Yeah, he's an OG. He has the Osmo. Thank you. Yeah, thanks, man.
Always something to have for me and guys. Dude, one time we had a hip hop show here, and an hour into it, all the power shut off. So these kids started yelling at me, like, when's it coming back on? It was like a crazy storm. Welcome to the Black Box, my dude.
Respect, yeah. So we out here at the Black Box. I'm outside right now, just hanging out with Ray and a couple of homies. Go check out the spot some more, right? Part to sell.
Gotta hit the bank, the apple, let me cash the fee in the bank. Telling, look at me like I be trapping keys. Now my exes won't be back with me. I'm buying Lexus for my mama with the backup beat. I whip a Subaru, the engine always dropping me. So I always give my driver backup keys. I'm in that function and the homies in the back with me. Lab group till I die, come to class with me. Smashing, but in the morning then I'm back to beats. She like Crystal Castles, like she knew the Alice glass with me. Used to skip algebra, now people do the math for me. Making records every day, that's how it has to be. Used to make wax to pay for all my travel fees. Now I press wax with my logo on the jacket sleeves. Super tats with the snaps on the snacking D. LG, have your venue right capacity. No LV, I got that blue cool on my jacket sleeve. Always hating, but now every day you hating me.
What's good, what's good, what's good? My bad, my dude. Respect, man. Hey, get it. That's what I'm talking about. Yo.
Boy, Yachty Nick.
Nick, what's good, my good?
Yo, he's running the glizzy shop tonight, dude.
Yeah?
He's just taking a glizzy down.
With this walk when I get lost and I find myself. But check it, everything's cool, but it's right behind the show. It's like that freshness, extra critical. Who's in the spiritual realm? I see what's happening. Didn't think you know, wait, you the one that plays it, yep, you know, sway this way, yep. Everything's cool, but I did this. Gotta be the reason why it's just kind of sorbet, yeah. Smooth and icy in taste. Fuck it, there's nobody like me. Gotta be right when I say these. If you know what, it's a trife.
So it look like they back here getting stupid, huh? I love it. I love dubstep. Alright, y'all, I'm about to holler at Ray J real quick. See you back, baby. Just.
Let's fucking go!
You guys are gassing me up way too much. I need to chill out.